Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for the extension task for the Scratch Solar System activity pack. So we're going to continue where we left off in the last video with my example here with Mercury, but again we're going to give you some code that you can add to all of the planets within your solar system. So the extension task is to turn our model of the solar system into an interactive fact file. So what we can do is we can add facts to each of the planets so that as they travel around, when you click on them, you will get a fact about that planet. So again, I'll show you this example within Mercury, but again, it will be the same code that you can apply to each of your planets, just changing the fact each time. So to start with, we need another event to tell it when to start. So this time, rather than just having the fact displayed all the time, we're going to tell it to start only when the sprite is clicked. Okay, so we need to bring it in, and this is a separate piece of code. It doesn't need to connect to our first piece of code. As long as it's in here as well, both bits of code will run at the same time. So that will run when the green flag is clicked, and then this part will run whenever the sprite is clicked within the code, within the program. So that's our event block. We then need, because we're going to change the look of our planet sprite, because we're going to change the display by displaying a fact, we're going to use a looks block this time. So what we're going to do first of all is find go to, which you may need to scroll down a bit for. Here we go. And you're going to tell it to go to the front layer, this piece here. So it does have different options there, but we want it on the front layer because we want our fact to display in front of the planet. And then after we've done this, we just need to tell our planet, our sprite, to say our fact. So if we go up to here, there we go, we've got say, and at the moment it just says hello, so that would just mean that our planet would say hello. And in this box here is where we can type our interesting fact about the planet. So one of my favourite facts about the planet Mercury is that it takes longer for sunrise to sunrise, so what we would count sort of as a day, that is longer than it is for it to travel all the way around the sun. So we could say that a day on Mercury is longer than a year. So I'm going to type that fact in. Longer than its year, and I'm going to tell it to say that for 2 seconds when the sprite is clicked. Now Mercury is our fastest planet, so it is tricky to catch, but this time when we start it, you'll see Mercury is moving around, and when I click on it, it will display the fact just for 2 seconds. Here we go. So that's how we can turn it into a fact file. Like I say, you can add facts to each of your planets within your solar system. So again, here's the one we made earlier. You should have all of your planets moving around as such, and then when you click on each planet, you get a new fact about that planet. And you can choose however long you would like for it to display. And there we go, that's how you can turn your program, your model, into an interactive fact file, and the facts that you look up might even help you get some bonus points when you do the quiz. So it is worth doing. Thank you very much.